Raising slogans and furling Afghan flags, civilians across the war-ravaged country took to the streets to protest against Taliban takeover. The protests were the first demonstrations against the Taliban since the terror group seized the Afghan capital, Kabul. No violent incidents were reported during these protests except in Jalalabad. At least 3 Afghans were shot to death in the city after Taliban terrorists opened fire, reports ANI. Several provinces across Afghanistan witnessed protests with Afghans taking to the streets holding Afghanistan's national flag, which is no longer in use since the Taliban took Kabul city. Residents in the eastern provinces of Nangarhar, Kunar and Khost on Wednesday publicly rallied under the Afghan national flag, Tolo News said. In the first press in Kabul after the siege of Afghanistan, Taliban spokesperson Zabihullah Mujahid was quoted by Tolo News as saying that soon they will reach a settlement through which an Islamic government will be established in the country. Mujahid also pledged that the Islamic Emirate in Afghanistan will not pose a threat to any country. Taliban leaders have been discussing future government plans in Doha after gaining control of Kabul. We want to establish a government that includes all sides, Mujahid said, adding that they want to end the war. The Taliban on Tuesday announced a general amnesty for all Afghan government officials and urged them to return to work, including women corresponding with Sharia law. Under the Taliban, which ruled in accordance with the harsh interpretation of Islamic law, women were largely confined to their homes. News Desk, Ahmed English.